Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can create a CV resume in Adobe Express app. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we need to open the Adobe Express app. So as you can see, the app is open. Now simply we have to click on the search for all templates, and now we have to search for the CV. For example, I'm going to write the CV resume here, and the templates will be here. So as you can see, I have searched for it, and now all of the templates will be displayed here. Now we have to choose that which template we want to use. For example, I want to use this one, so I'm going to click on this, and as you can see, here is the option for the remix this template. So we have to click on it, and after clicking on this, it will take few seconds in loading this. It's up to your internet speed. If your internet will be fast, then it will be fast. So as you can see, the CV is opened into editing mode. Now simply if you want to edit any kind of thing, you can also do that. As you can see, the text is provided here, and about me, and the picture is also provided here. For example, I'm going to click on the shape, and after clicking on the shape, as you can see, option for the replace shape, delete, duplicate, and copy to select multiple. All the informations are provided in the color section. If you want to change the color, you can also do that. As you can see, the color is changed. And after that, if you want to edit the text, you can also do that. You have to double tap on the text, and you will be able to edit the text. I'm going to click on the done, and now I'm going to double click on this. As you can see, now you can edit the text in this way. I'm going to cut this one. So in this way, you can edit a CV into Adobe Express app. I hope you guys understand this video. So see you guys in the next video.